Hi, today I wanted to talk about attention and why it's so important in our life and mostly in our businesses. And it all boils down to the fact that attention is needed by everyone. Every business needs attention. It needs attention because everyone's trying to sell something, whether they're selling it to the public, like Apple needs attention of the consumer to try and buy their product, or whether they're selling it to other companies. So even if they're B2B, you have to be known for a company to want to work with you. If you can't get their attention, it just won't work. You can't sell something to someone that doesn't have their attention. So the ways to get attention, there's ways like you could cold email people, so that will get their attention, but it won't be very good. You could just you could like write DMs to anyone you know and try to get their attention this way. Might be a little spammy too, might not work. Now the companies right now, what they'll do is they'll make advertising, so they'll try to advertise to gain your attention. It works too, but it's costly. And then lastly, the last way people are getting attention is through organic videos, so like through TikToks or through YouTube Shorts or YouTube. And that's what I want to focus on, is getting attention through through videos that you can make. And I think there's a big point to be made that if you ever want to get in business, you need to have the attention first. And that's why I'm doing it, and that's what I'm doing this. That's why the business I'm working on is attention based for now. And then once I have it, I'll be able to make any business I want. But it's just the same thing as Mr. Beast. He's in the business of attention, and when he gets these hundreds of millions of views, then he can try to sell you his Feastables or his Beast Burger. And that's where he makes his money. So it's really important to have the attention, and I know it for a fact because I've spent the last like 8 months creating an application for NFTs, and in the span of 8 months, NFTs just like disappeared from the internet. No one was talking about them, and once I was at the end, and it was done, I had no one to sell it to, and I didn't have any channels to try and promote it through. So I was just stuck with a product that I spent my life on for 8 months and that I can't sell. So it's really important for you to think about the attention before you even try to start something. Try to figure out if it's possible for you to get the right amount of attention to be able to start it. And so if you were to start in NFTs today, it might be tough because just the sheer number of people out there are very limited. So maybe it's not the best way. If you wanted to start in AI, there's a lot of interest in AI right now, so that's great. You could say this, but then how do you get their attention? Are you just gonna write emails and try to cold email people in the AI space? I mean, you can try, but it really might not work. It's just it's an outdated technique, and a lot of people are doing it. So if I were you, I'd do videos like I'm doing right now. But I think it's something that we've got to think about first before doing at any company, is try to figure out how we can get the attention of the people we're selling it to. So think about what we're doing for this is we're creating automated AI videos to promote AI tools. But instead of promoting our own AI tool that we have to spend like months building, we're doing affiliate marketing for already existing AI tools. This way, if we can prove that we can make money for them, so that we can bring them customers and that can convert people, then we'll be able to make our own tool and just switch the marketing around and do it for us. But before then, it's way better to just try and do affiliate marketing because they've already did the product. The product's great. It's not a part of the equation. It's a great product, and if you do a great marketing, you'll be able to sell it. So that's what we're doing. We're trying to do the marketing to sell it, and once we're able to, then we know, okay, there's a market for it. People are willing to buy. Let's make something better. And then that's when we come in and we do our own tool. Before then, I suggest just not doing it and just continuing to explore the different avenues that you have, where you could be, like the different things that you could do. Try to explore where it's working best, and once you get something, once you get the attention of people somewhere, then you start creating. But get the attention first. All right. Thank you. That was my rant.